Hi, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to split a video in Canva. So the video splitter tool is particularly helpful, especially if you're creating your own videos. There might be a shaky part in the video, or there might be sort of dead space where you're not talking and nothing is happening and you want to cut it out. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really easy to do. So I've just uploaded different stock videos here. So this last video is quite long, so I could just drag it in and drop it out, but I'm just going to show you how to trim it with the video splitter tool. So say I want to split it here. All I have to do is right click on split, and you can see the video is split. Then you can play the video until the next part where you want to split. So if there's any dead time here or something like that, just keep playing it until you find the exact spot where you want to cut the dead air out. Then I'm going to right click again, click on split, and then you can see that this section has been split from the other videos now. So I can click on that and I can delete that part of the video. To make it connect nicely, you can just add a transition. So all of these are pretty cool, like dissolve, slide, circle, wipe. Some of them are more obvious than others, quite like dissolve. So I'll put that one in, and you can see the video plays quite nicely and quite naturally even after you've split it. So that's it. That's how to use the video splitter tool in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.